Hello, welcome to Java Forum. Today we are going to see how to install Deepin 15.6 Linux operating system in VirtualBox 5.2. So now I am creating a new virtual machine in VirtualBox 5.2. So I am giving a name for a virtual machine. So I am selecting Ubuntu and I'm allocating 8 GB RAM, and hard disk I am allocating 20 GB. So this will be dynamically allocated hard disk. So right click that virtual machine, select settings. So I am going to add some processor cores. So I'm adding 4 core processors. So storage, I am selecting the ISO file which is already downloaded from deepin.org, Deepin 15.6 ISO file. I am selecting. Okay. Now I will start the virtual machine. So it will arrive to boot menu. So I am selecting install Deepin. So this will install Deepin 15.6 in your hard disk. So I am selecting English as my language. Now I am creating one user account. Using this user account, I will be logging to Deepin. Now click the next button. Now I am selecting time zone. Now I am selecting the installation location, and the installation method will be simple. So now I click start installation button. So it will start installing. Make sure that you have enough memory RAM. So it is successfully installed. So now we will log into Deepin 15.6. Make sure that you have enough memory, hard disk space, enough processor core allocated. So welcome screen arrived. So login screen arrived. So I am logging to Deepin. I am selecting effect mode. So I select effect mode. Yes, finally we have arrived to Deepin Desktop. The welcome screen arrives. Yeah, now I will select efficient mode as my desktop mode. Then I will enable window effect. Next I will select Deepin icon theme. It's already selected by default. So compared to Deepin 15.5, so this release has improved lot of desktop features and bug fixes. So let us navigate the applications one by one now. So you can see a lot of apps are installed by default. So this Deepin 15.5 have some enhancements in launcher. That is, this menu have some enhancements. So it will list down the apps which is newly installed. Okay, now I am going to control center. Yeah, control center is have left navigation bar, which is a new feature added. So you can navigate the control center by clicking the icon as shown here one by one. So this Deepin 15.6 is full of desktop enhancements. So welcome screen, so launcher, enhanced launcher, and lot of big bug fixes. So now I am click WPS Office writer. So let us see the look and feel of writer. Yeah, that's good. Looks good. Okay, I can able to open WPS writer. Now I open WPS presentation. So this WPS Office suite is alternate for Microsoft Office, LibreOffice. So WPS suite is pre-installed in Deepin Desktop. So it's good to use WPS presentation. So now I will open WPS spreadsheet. Yes, now I can able to open WPS spreadsheet. Now I open Deepin File Manager. Deepin File Manager used to navigate your file systems. Yeah, so good icons. I can able to see the good icons that good with the good look and feel. Okay. Okay, I'm going to change some settings. So I want to view some hidden files. So I'm selecting show hidden files. Yeah, I can able to see the hidden files. So I try to open the hidden file in text editor. Yes, I can able to open. So these are the basic tests I will be performing whenever I install my operating system. Now I change the theme to dark theme. So dark theme also, it's a new feature in Deepin 15.6. So you can switch over between themes, either if you want dark theme or some other default Deepin theme. So now I have opened that terminal. So I am issuing some basic commands. So terminal also working fine. So I am good with Deepin File Manager. So theme, dark theme, I have changed the default one. Now I will be opening Google Chrome. Make a note that application speed purely depends upon your hardware. So more the RAM, more memory or more swap space will speed up your applications, especially for Linux. So this is a default video player. This is the default music player installed in Deepin 15.6. Okay, so these and all we try later. Now I try to change some theme. Yeah, some icon themes I have changed. Yes, that icon theme is reflected. So rest of the themes, so it's icon themes as reflected. So rest of the themes I didn't touch. Yes, now I open the terminal again. So I will check what are the default programming languages installed in Deepin. So Python 2 is installed by default. Python 3 is installed by default. Perl is installed by default. Now I open Deepin System Monitor. So Deepin System Monitor is similar to Windows Task Manager. Yeah, it's a good look and feel. So you can see all the tasks running in System Monitor. So that's all, guys. Share this video if you like.